gonna go for a6 b4. Okay, let's play the Sebastian Janikowski with d5. Play the Janikowski here with d5. I guess I'll take and play b5 and c5 and everything else. Move here. Here, I guess. d5, I might have c4. Let's go here. Play this. Just castle, why not? I guess I take with the bishop or the knight. I think either way. I think I take with the knight and go like queen c7. Line up some pressure towards his pawn on h2. Some big threats here potentially. Logical. Put here. Try to prevent this b4 idea. Very, very nicely here. So I think I'm well on my way to a win in this game. But let's see what he does. There's knight b1. Okay, so I see what he's aiming for. Knight b4 is probably not ideal. I'm gonna go for something a little bit strange. Take the pawn and try to these knights. A little bit dubious. I gotta be a little bit careful. Here I want to keep this idea, but I also want to there. Yeah, I'm misplaying this. E1, knight h3, c1. I think this is good. Yeah, I'm gonna trust my instinct that this is correct. I'm hitting the rook, and I'm hitting the pawn. And I'm hitting the pawn here. Okay, now I should just win since this pawn. Here, attack horse. Attack here, and then I take another juicer and I win the game. But although my knight on d1 is a little bit stuck, but it should be winning. Here, and then I take doesn't king g2 and king f3. It still should be winning. The juicer. Take down the 3 pawns. The rest of these here. Let's look at these knights. Here, get the knight. I mean, this obviously is not working, but just go here. Blockade, and now time to start pushing the key over here.